Today we received a Mercedes-Benz S400W221 inverter. The DTCs shows the temperature sensor 1 has short circuit to the positive pole. Left data shows error 2. Let's fix it. This board is okay. This means it has no problem. While the one from the car behaves differently. Seems the board is broken. Let's solder a cable from the board back to the front, and also have to soldering all these points. Now we test again. Now it looks okay. Connect inverter to the test platform. Let's read the DTCs now. Check the live data. We have temperature output now. Let's check also the capacitors. Now let's try to start it on the test platform. Engine can start, all okay.